For those of you who are cooking and cleaning with me, I got another really gross one today. Hamburger helper. Yesterday, I was trying to get supper really quick, and even though I used my timer, it got stuck because I didn't pay attention to how hot the flame was. So now I'm stuck with this disgusting mess. So I've soaked it because I'm going to admit this, it sat on the stove all night because I asked my daughter if she would clean the kitchen. And she seems to forget on purpose that there's a dirty pan. And I'm the winner of the dirty pans all the time. So what I'm going to do with this is just my usual. I'm soaking and scraping. And if you're watching, thanks for watching, because it's kind of nice to have company when you do a dirty job. And this is a dirty job. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to strain it in my sink of dishes that are left over. First I'm going to put the strainer, the dirty strainer, because why have to clean out the other strainer? Yeah, so I've got some dishes. I've got the counter almost cleaned off. And this is how I start my day. But you know, I'm really thankful because I'm so thankful. Thank you, God, that the sun is shining. It just makes your job so much easier. You know, a lot of people, when the sun shines, they don't want to go to work. Well, you know, I always used to tell my kids, just because the sun shines doesn't mean that your bills don't need to be paid. So, I'm thankful that the sun is shining because this is my job. I know a lot of people who have to work out in the hot sun. My son, he's a landscaper. My other son, he's a carpenter. My other son is a construction excavator worker. I don't know what his title is. Some kind of engineering something or other. And my daughters work inside where it's air conditioned. But my husband, he works in a mill. So how much hotter, other than outdoor work, can you get? I'd rather be hot working outdoors than working in a mill myself. But you know, you gotta make the bills somehow. And when you like what you do, which he does, then you work in a mill. Someone's got to work in a mill. And someone's got to wash the dirty pans. So, that's how I deal with that. And now, I try not to get any of that stuff down some of it goes down little pieces, but I try not to get any down my drain because it gets stuck there. So, and my hands can always be washed. Sometimes I start a project and my hands should have gloves on them. When I look in the rear view mirror, I say, why didn't you put gloves on? Now, this pan, you know, I should have gotten a single sink because everyone in this house seems to put the dirty dishes on both sides. I'm a one side is clean, the other side is not person. Are you like that? Because I don't understand how they don't understand that one side should be clean and one side shouldn't. I mean, you gotta have a place for the clean dishes. But they constantly break my rule of putting dirty dishes on both sides, especially if they are helping me clean the kitchen. Now, this is coming off pretty good, I have to say. I was going to have to get out my... I thought I was going to have to get out my baking soda and cook it on the stove to loosen this up. But this is looking pretty good. Just that little bit of soaking. I'm thinking I might be able to take a peek. Let me clean this off. It's hard doing it with one hand. But I cannot position this camera the place that I want it to be. Let me try it again. Moving the camera. Okay. There we go. There we go. Now, I'll get this once scrubbed, and then I will rinse it and then scrub it again with some fresh soap and water. There. Okay, let's get rid of this. Yeah, see? Now I can see better. And I can scrub better with the two hands. Thank you, Lord. So I'm really liking this weather, although it's cool in the morning, then it warms up, so that's good. It's July, and I don't really go on vacations because I don't have money to go on vacations, but in order to enjoy, I just try to be thankful. Yeah, see that? You can be thankful washing a dirty dish. And I made today, I get it ready for my treat after. I can't put that in there because the dishes are dirty on that side. Normally I would use the pan of soap, and the other side I'd dump it into the dirty dishes so that they could soak more, and then I wouldn't waste that soap. I try to think about things like that and not make myself crazy with micromanaging, but little things to try to keep the recycling, reuse concept in my head. And no, the word is not recycle, reuse. The word is conserve. See, I'm just going to rinse these. I'm throwing these in the dishwasher because I have other things to do today. So let me just show you my basil lemonade. I can find it. Okay, I can't find it. So another conservative thing that I do, my daughter goes around filling up glasses of water and she doesn't finish them. So I have a little cup or sometimes a pitcher that I put over here next to the sink, and I fill up her water, and then afterwards I put it in my plants. So this is a better ending, right, than the dirty pan. This is basil, lemon, and some honey with ice. And that's going to get me to drink my water today, and it's delicious. Who knew basil and lemon could be so good? So I'm going to leave you with that, and I thank you to those 6 subscribers who are still watching my videos. Have a great day. Thumbs up.